come from Kirk Foundation as well, which is led by Mr. Spencer, and they already had donated 1 million bottle of MMS to us in the floods. And again, the second tranche they had committed to me in London. It's in the shipment phase, and we will be distributing it in KP and the other districts where it's still a gap, because the first tranche was distributed, I guess, in Sindh and Balochistan. So we'll focus more on KP in this, as was decided with the donors. Then the transfer of technology. Already we have moved ahead. We have identified the units which can be transformed into a MMS manufacturing facility, which will not only meet our own needs, but we will also be exporting it to other countries. There is a huge market of MMS in the globe, and we would like to tap that. So we are moving very fast on that, and the partners are coming in the last week of this month. They will be joining us in the venture, and I already had talked to the leadership of Bill Gates Foundation, your leadership, of course, Nutrition International. From us, we are with you and others also. With the Canadian partners, we appreciate the Canadian government for their support in nutrition. I've been informed of it, but we would like it to be scaled up. So they also would pool some resources into this initiative, because with one entity we would not move forward. So the funding would come from a pool of resources. Bill Gates Foundation, Canadian government, Nutrition International, and these private charities like Junaid Foundation and the Kirk Foundation. So they will then assemble and sit together and then guide us how best and how fast we can take this forward. So that's on the supply side. Linked with this is the awareness phase also. There is this energy available in each and every program, and we need to be very opportunistic about that. We've got huge interventions, family planning, polio, EPI, nutrition, and many other things happening at the ground level. So we need to take that opportunity. Just this morning, I tasked my team that I want a comprehensive integrated BCC. So a BCC specific for one domain would not lead us anywhere. We will still be moving in circles as we have been moving since centuries. So this is not acceptable. We want one BCC, so the nutrition, family planning, polio, EPI, they should sit together. And then they guide us for one BCC strategy in the country which is encompassing and which meet our needs.